Today blog we are going to visit one of the villa project is happening in Korat Isaan, and it will give you the idea that of how much the property rate if you are planning to move in Isaan zone or in Korat.
So we can know also how we gonna buy. So she gives some idea also how we can buy, how we can take the money from the banks. So don't worry about the money from the bank. The project they will find out for you. You just bring your document
Yeah.
and whatever they recommend for your document. So you just prepare for your document, and after that, come to the company. The company they will do for you for the finance. If you don't have money, like
Yeah.
on the money.
On the money, and then
Yeah.
from the finance you do giving.
Yeah, if you have money, okay, let's come.
Look at that. This is all new construction is happening, right? Look very nice.
You can stay just bring your furniture and luggage. I want
See,
big one.
big one. How many rooms? Bedrooms?
4.
4 rooms.
Just see. Just
Yeah, it's look nice.
6 million, no need to bring furniture, anything. They have all
Everything is ready, right?
Yeah, everything is ready. So, like they get promotion. They make a promotion.
So this is the villa main entrance. Look at that living room, and this house is a 3-bedroom, villa. And then you have the kitchen this side, enough big kitchen, plus the garden you can access from here. Enough big garden also. Look at that. This side enough space. You can do barbecue, whatever you like to do, chilling outside also nicely. And then this is a staircase going on the bedroom. We will go later. So this is like a study room, or your office. You can make it. Everywhere is AC installed. Everything you get it ready to move. This villa. Look at that. You have your wine counter displaying. Look at that.
Master bedroom นี่ beautiful มอแล้วมี
You can make like a,
ห้องเนี้ยนะ
Your office.
Oh no, this should be like a, drink here.
And they have toilet here. See, enough big.
ครัวฝาล่างครัวฝาล่าง
Okay. You can get all.
Everything.
Actually, it's empty house. No AC, no table, nothing, sofa. But now you can get everything, even a
เก็บแค่กระเป๋ามา
This is full ready-made house.
ready-made house. Even here also you can get.
เก็บแค่กระเป๋ามา
Just only luggage, your luggage.
Come with the luggage, and
เก็บแค่กระเป๋ามาจบ
You just get your luggage.
and then we going up.
อันมาสเตอร์
They have this.
มาสเตอร์เบดรูม
Wow.
ไปดูมาสเตอร์เบดรูมนี่มาสเตอร์เบดรูม
Master bedroom.
อย่า
Oh my god.
แล้วก็มีนี่พี่หญิง walk in closet walk in closet
Look at that.
Oh my god. My dream.
And they have the toilet in the down also same way.
ก็อยู่ที่ว่าพี่หญิงอาจจะดาวเดือนเท่าไหร่แต่อย่างมันมีลูกค้าบางคนที่เขาจอง2 ชั้นปกติเขาผ่อนดาวเดือนละ100,000 โล
อ๋อปล่อยดาวเดือนละ100,000
แล้วก็มีใช่ค่ะ
This is the living room.
ห้อง living room มีคุณ
They- this is another bedroom, and they have the wardrobe,
ห้องนอนสไตล์
nicely designed.
ได้นะ
They arrange it nicely all.
เขาทำติดไว้ใช่ไหม
And another room also they have here.
There's a view in there.
So 3 bedrooms. How many toilets? Here also toilets. So 1, 2 toilets on the top. 1 bedroom, kid bedroom. This one. This is also the main bedroom, you can say. Another person can. This is the master bedroom. So nice big bed. Wardrobe is so much big here. You have enough clothes can come. Toilet here also. Balcony here you can see. You can see the view from the front of the road, and the road also what they have it is very, big road. They have the big space. Okay, so they have
They have you see that they have the
back side. They have wardrobe
สามารถ
also.
หันหัวไปทางนู้นก็ได้แล้วตู้เสื้อผ้า
They can arrange it nicely, no?
yeah
โอนไปเดือนที่แล้ว
เปล่าๆไม่มีเฟอร์นิเจอร์ไม่มีอะไรเลย no furniture nothing is 5.5
Five,
million
5.5 million.
Yes.
But this is in the promotion, so they
promotion 6 million
6 million
yeah
living
everything
room.
the same size but
Same size.
empty you see that empty right that
Yes.
is a empty they don't have the furniture everything 5.5 million
ที่น้องบอกคือ
But this is
ก็คือบ้าน
include
บ้านฝาฟรีมิเตอร์ฟรีโอนฟรีปั๊มฟรีถังน้ำฟรีค่าส่วนกลาง
Okay.
yeah they have free pump they have free everything
Yeah, everything I see doors and everything is ready.
so it's ready for the use
Ready to
for
use.
ready to use but there you have to buy
Arrange.
the pump
You have to arrange every single thing.
yes you have to buy pump you have to buy the tank water tank you have to maintain
Arrange it like, once you buy a new house and then you have to arrange. This is ready to move.
ready to move
And then if somebody want to do something, some little bit like a fixing, want to make, they can do, or they can do. There's no like a restriction.
yeah they can I asked her already if I want to arrange I want
Yeah.
to extension my roof I want to extension like this and I want to extension more the room because get finance from the banks they will transfer the land and the house into our name and bank together
ก็สมมติว่าเดือนนี้ยื่นแบง
that
ค์
day if they approve after that we bring your luggage and then you can stay in the first day
สมมติเดือนนี้ยื่นแบงค์
the foreigner cannot buy if you are married with the Thai lady it's okay fine because of it's cover in the law here.
So the wife can buy the
The
house
wife
in her
can buy
name.
the house in her name but
Mm.
if you have marriage certificate that is a meaning 50-50
Okay, the house will be.
the house is will be 50-50
The back side also really good. Is a big space. They have nicely garden also. They poured grass and everything. You can planting whatever you like in the future. Really cool. Really nice. Big parking area also. It's not. And the front also they did very nicely gardening. Look at that. Very wide road also. You can easily park. It's really beautiful, man.
ประตูนี้กุญแจหายไม่ได้นะ
เหมือนไอ้เนาะกันไฟเนาะ
ใช่ใช่
ไฟเบอร์
Fiber, but it's a,
like
a strong door, huh?
protection with the fire
you can walk. Enough space. Look at that. Hello.
the one room here
Yes, you can arrange also if you want to make. Yeah, if you really want to make another room, you can make it another room also. They don't have. You see, there these people also. What they're doing in the back side, they just cover it, that place, and they just make it like a storage, and then doing gardening, whatever they like to do. Nobody can come disturb you, anything. You just own the house, everything is yours, no restriction, nothing. Do whatever you like. And how about the material? How about the material they're using for construction? Is good? Good. Because Ying has the idea about the construction because their family also doing a lot of construction job, right? So she know the material of the building, what they are using, what kind of material. So she know better than me. People are move also here. They are just doing the finishing.
give the detail will not arrange anything because of if no one book it will be damaged all okay That is meaning that one
Is book.
someone is booking, so they become and maintenance and keep and make it tight, everything there.
สีเก็บสีเก็บความสะอาด
Yeah,
They will get ready
they will get ready for sale.
for moving. I mean for the selling.
Yeah, for the selling.
ก็จะเอี่ยม
It's meaning 1 month, 2 months they will come.
Already book.
Yeah, already booked.
If you buy and then you don't like to stay here and you want to resell, you can sell.
ถ้าสมมติว่าเราซื้อแล้วแล้วพี่จะขายต่อนี่ได้ไหม
ได้
Yeah,
You can sell it.
You can sell. But just change the contract.
Changing the contract.
Yeah, changing the contract.
นายหน้าก็ได้ขายเองก็ได้
You can let the company sell for you, or you want to sell for yourself. It's okay also.
And they have the bigger road, no? So it look nice also, more spacious. I think these houses are more space
Yeah, they have more space.
because of the corner.
มีพื้นที่เยอะกว่าเขาซื้อพื้นที่
แล้วมันเป็นแปลงหัวมุมไง
อ๋อโอเค end of the corner actually is
ถ้าแปลงหัวมุม
Bigger.
biggest
ถ้าบึงแปลงหั
but
ว
the
มุมมันได้
price is a bit high also.
Price will be high. This land also look bigger.
Yeah.
อันนี้คือ2,000อันนี้คือ2,000
There is something like price wise they have difference here.
บ้านเดี่ยว2,000ปกติ
Look at that, they are making also here. Construction is happening. But this house, land is bigger. Maybe the price, let's see the price, how much the price will be. How much will be the price?
อันนี้เท่าไหร่
Same?
4.4
4.4
yeah because of the land.
because of the land.
น่าจะมีว่างเพราะว่าไอ้2นั้นจองไปแล้วถ้าอันเนี้ยมีว่างแล้วมันจะมี
They like that. Some of people they like it because of they have the ground, they have the garden,
The bigger space.
biggest space. But
And
the house is a less.
the bedroom is I think 2 bedroom on the top.
3 ห้อง three bedroom, but
Okay.
this is less.
Less space.
Yeah, less space.
Yeah, 3 bedroom, but from the outside you can see that. Maybe the rooms will be not like a bigger than the first one, but
That one is a big.
that is the biggest room.
Yeah, biggest.
And then the space they have a lot.
Just imagine it's a difference 1 million. You know.
Only
That
1
is a
million.
5.5. No? This is
5. 4.5 or
4.4.
4.4.
1 million.
I have seen in our village also only 3 million, just tiny house, and they are selling no furniture, nothing. Here you add like a 5.5 and you get bigger. You will find all the villas are here. This is the main road connecting with the city. The market and everything is accessed from here, very near. So the good place. We finish this video here only, and then if you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. And if you have any comment, please put the comment so I can reply you if you want to know anything else.